Rafael, mae Kirchhoff wedi mynd o'i flanau. Rafael yn parhau ar bêl. Dewis y chrwywyr yn y canol. Y peniad ar arbediad yn un wych. Ar y postyn pella, Miles Davies I ben yn ei ddwylo. Oedd y croesiad yn un dda gan Rafael. Nath Brooks aros ar ei linell. Y peniad gan Miles Davies a'r arbediad yn un dda. Hart sy'n clirio. Griffiths yn troi. Chwilio am gyfle I groesi, mae'n gosod y bil nôl at Ashley Evans. Evans ergyd gwyriad, taro'r postyn. Mae Pen-y-bont yn pwyso'n gryf. A tro yma Ashley Evans sydd wedi dod agosa, ond y postyn yn arbed Bae Colwyn. Un arall sydd wedi creu argraff yw Akpan. Akpan! A mae drwodd ar gol. Akpan! Arbediad rhagorol gan Alex Pennock. Y cyntaf mae wedi gorfod gwneud. Oedd hi'n gyfle da, cyfle gore. Bae Colwyn. Gito Williams dros Bae Colwyn. Llithriad yng nghanol Cagan. Ashley Evans. Rushton yn glir. Rushton! Mae'n mynd am y bil sgwar fan hyn at Cumming. Cumming! Arbediad da arall gan Pennock yr ail o'r prynhawn. Ond Bae Colwyn yn edrych yn dda iawn wrth ymosod. Jeffrey sgwar at Harlings. Denny Little ymlaen i'r bêl. Little at Miles Davies. Postyn pella. Peniad yn erbyn y trawst gan Gabriel Kirchhoff. Oedd hi'n groesiad hyfryd at y postyn pella. A Kirchhoff yn codi'n uchel, ond yn methu curo Alfie Brooks yn y gol. Iorwerth allan at Owen. Owen tu fiwn I wrthwynebydd. Rediad da. Owen eto. Trod dde. Ar ergyd yn cael I harbed. A nôl mae'n dod a mae'n gwyro allan. Miles Davies ar ergyd. Ond y gore o'r cyfleoedd yn syrthio I Kane Owen. Ond eto Alfie Brooks arbediad rhagorol. Y gigrydd I Bae Colwyn mewn at y postyn pella. Bêl yn rhydd yn y cwrt cosbi. Mae'n cael I chlirio. Edwards a chyfle I groesi. Mae'n groesiad da. Peniad lawr. A gol I Bae Colwyn. A'r capten Alex Downs sydd wedi sgorio. Alex Downs yn taflu hunan at y bêl ac yn sgorio I gol gyntaf yn uwch gynghrair Cymru. Ryan Reynolds a Kane Owen dros y gicrydd. Pen-y-bont yn ceisio dod nôl mewn i'r gêm. Reynolds yn ei thynnu ddi nôl. Hanner cyfle! Oedd hi ar y linell. Mae Henry Jones yn hawlio gol. Bae Colwyn yn clirio. Oedd hi ar y linell. Mae'r protestiadau yn parhau. Cynorthwydd y dyfarnwr yn edrych ar draws y linell.
Yeah, I think that's the word, a complete performance, you know. At times we had to defend, you know, rigorously. They shook everything in the kitchen sink at us. But we stood strong. And I thought, in the end, it was well deserved. You know, first half, first five minutes, you know, our keeper's Alfie's made a great save from, I think it was Miles Davies, point blank header, and he's made a great save, tipped it over, and that set the tone. I'd say Pen-y-bont had the better of the possession. But I thought first half we had the best two chances in the game. We went through one-on-one, should have done better, didn't. And then second half was a little bit like the first. They started really well, come out the blocks and put us under a lot of pressure again. And we've had to block, we've had to make saves, you know, and which we've had, which you have to do. And you know, and then we've gone and scored a great goal. A great ball in by Steph, and then the desire to get on the end of it from Alex was first class. But I thought everybody to a man, the whole squad, that's credit to all their hard work, that 3 points today. And, you know, we won't get carried away, but we'll enjoy it, and then we'll go back to work ready for next week.
And today, really, you know, no disrespect to them at all, but we probably dominated the whole game today. But we can't take our chances. And that's everybody, defenders, you know, on set pieces, and the forward players as well, and the midfielders. We're not taking our chances, and then you risk a smash and grab, which is what happened.
Alex Downs, Colwyn Bae captain and goal scorer today in Colwyn Bae's first historic win in the Cymru Premier. Sum up your feelings and those of your colleagues in the dressing room.
Ecstatic, really. You know, the boys, we've dug deep. We rode our luck at times, but, you know, we've come here, we've got a result, and we'll enjoy the journey back home, yeah.
And what about that goal? A stunning cross from Steph Edwards as well.
He's got great quality, Steph, so poaching back post, Ev always tells me to end round the back stick, and then it's got me head on it, haven't I? Yeah.